Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Database Unit Testing with SSDT, a comprehensive guide. This tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up and performing database unit testing using SQL Server Data Tools, SSDT, within Visual Studio. We'll cover the fundamentals, the tools involved, best practices, and provide a detailed code example. Why database unit testing? Database unit testing is a critical practice for ensuring the quality and reliability of your database code. It helps you identify and fix errors early before your code reaches production. Improve code quality by encouraging a more modular and testable design. Reduce development costs. Fixing bugs early is cheaper than fixing them in production. Increase confidence in your database code. Especially important for complex stored procedures, triggers, and functions. Support continuous integration / continuous deployment. CI/CD automated testing is essential for CI/CD pipelines. Facilitate refactoring. Tests provide a safety net when making changes to existing code. Prerequisites. Visual Studio. Ideally Visual Studio 2017 or later with the SQL Server Data Tools, SSDT, workload installed. You can verify this under Tools - Get Tools and Features - Data Storage and Processing. SQL Server. A development instance of SQL Server. SQL Server Express is sufficient for most unit testing scenarios. Basic SQL knowledge. Familiarity with SQL syntax, stored procedures, functions, and database schema. Understanding of unit testing concepts. A general understanding of what unit tests are and their purpose. Steps involved. 1. Create a database project. 2. Create a test project. 3. Define database connection. 4. Write unit tests. Test conditions. Test actions. 5. Run tests. 6. Analyze results. 7. Refactor and repeat. 1. Create a database project. This is where your database schema and code, stored procedures, functions, etc., reside. Open Visual Studio. Go to File - New - Project. Search for SQL Server Database Project or navigate to SQL Server Database Project. Name your project, example My Database. Click Create. 2. Create a test project. This is where you'll write your unit tests to verify the behavior of your database objects. In Solution Explorer, right-click on your solution, Solution My Database. Go to Add - New Project. Search for SQL Server Unit Test Project or navigate to SQL Server Unit Test Project. Name your project, example My Database.tests. It's common to append .tests to the database project name. Click Create. 3. Define database connections. You'll need 2 database connections. Development database. This is your actual development database that you'll be testing against. Test execution context. This can be a copy of your development database, or a dedicated database for testing. You'll often want to reset this database between test runs to ensure consistent results. Development database connection. Automatically created within the database project. Test execution context connection. Open the mydatabase.tests project. Asterisk open the app config file. Asterisk locate the connection strings section. Asterisk you'll likely see a default connection string. Modify this to point to your development database. This is used to deploy the database schema and objects for the tests. You might use integrated security or a SQL Server login. Asterisk example. Asterisk data source asterisk the SQL Server instance name, example localhost, \SQL Express. Asterisk initial catalog asterisk the name of your database. Important, make sure you are using a dedicated testing database, and not your production database. My database test is a suggestion. Create a database with that name or change the connection string accordingly. Asterisk integrated security asterisk true for Windows authentication, false if you're using a SQL Server login. Asterisk user ID/password asterisk if integrated security is false, you'll need to add user ID and password to the connection string. Asterisk right-click on the My database project, select Properties. Then navigate to SQL CMD Variables. Under Debug, edit the database variable. Change it from $database name to My database test, or whatever you called your test database. Do the same under Release. This ensures the database project deploys to the test database when running the tests. 4. Write unit tests asterisk. This is the core of the process. You'll create SQL Server unit test classes and methods to exercise your database code. Asterisk add a new test class asterisk. Asterisk in the mydatabase.tests project, right-click and choose Add-new item. Asterisk select SQL Server unit test. Asterisk name your class, example mystoredproceduretests.cs. Asterisk click Add. Asterisk understand the test class structure asterisk. The generated code will look something like this. Asterisk test class indicates that this class contains unit tests. Asterisk test method indicates that this method is a unit test. Asterisk class initialize, a method that runs once before all tests in the class. Often used to initialize resources, like the SQL database test class. Asterisk class cleanup, a method that runs once after all tests in the class. Often used to clean up resources. Asterisk SQL database test actions, a container for the actions to be performed during the test, pre-test, test, post-test. Asterisk SQL execute SQL test action, an action that executes a SQL script. Asterisk execution context.execute, test actions, executes the test actions. Asterisk understanding test conditions asterisk. Test conditions are crucial for asserting the expected behavior of your database code. SSDT provides several built-in test conditions. Asterisk row count condition asterisk verifies that a query returns a specific number of rows. Asterisk scalar value condition asterisk verifies that a query returns a specific scalar value, example account, sum, or specific column value. Asterisk empty result set condition asterisk verifies that a query returns an empty result set, no rows. Asterisk execution not expected condition asterisk verifies that a specified trigger, function, or stored procedure does not get called when the test runs. Asterisk execution time condition asterisk verifies that a stored procedure or function executes within a certain time limit. Asterisk inconclusive condition asterisk marks a test as inconclusive, useful for tests that are not yet fully implemented. Asterisk result set condition asterisk compares the results of a query to a known expected result set. More complex but powerful. You can also create custom test conditions if needed, but the built-in ones cover most common scenarios. Asterisk writing a unit test example asterisk. Let's create a simple stored procedure and then write a unit test for it. 1. Stored procedure, in your My Database project. Create a new stored procedure named add2numbers.sql. Publish the database project to your development database, the one defined when you created the project. Right-click the project, select Publish, and configure the Publish settings. 2. Unit test, in your mydatabase.tests project. Modify your mystoredproceduretests.cs file. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk add2numbers_test, the name of our unit test method. Asterisk SQL database test actions, holds the pre-test, test, and post-test actions. Asterisk SQL execute SQL test action, execute SQL scripts. Asterisk test actions.testaction.script, this is the most important part. It contains the SQL to execute our stored procedure and retrieve the result. We declare a variable at actual result, execute add2numbers, and then select the output at actual result as result. This select statement is crucial because test conditions analyze the result sets returned by this script. Asterisk scalar condition.expected value equals 8, this is a key part of verifying that the stored procedure is working correctly. Since the result is an integer, and the unit test needs the expected value as a string, you may need to convert other data types to a string. Asterisk SQL scalar value condition verifies that the value returned in the first column of the first row of the first result set is 8. 5. Run tests asterisk. Asterisk build your solution, Ctrl+Shift+B. This will compile both the database project and the test project. Asterisk go to test-windows-test explorer. Asterisk you should see your add2numbers_test listed. Asterisk click run all tests or right click on the test and choose run selected tests. 6. Analyze results asterisk. Asterisk the test explorer window will show the results of your tests, passed, failed, or inconclusive. Asterisk if a test fails, click on it to see the details. The details will show the error message and the specific test condition that failed. Asterisk examine the output window in Visual Studio for more detailed information. Sometimes, SQL Server error messages are displayed there. 7. Refactor and repeat asterisk. Asterisk if a test fails, fix the underlying database code, example the stored procedure. Asterisk rerun the tests to ensure your changes have fixed the issue. Asterisk add more tests to cover different scenarios and edge cases. Asterisk continue this process of writing tests, running tests, and refactoring your database code until you have a comprehensive set of tests that give you confidence in the quality of your database. Advanced topics and best practices asterisk. Asterisk test-driven development, TDD write the tests before you write the database code. This helps you design your database objects with testability in mind. Asterisk data-driven testing asterisk use a data source, example a CSV file, a database table, to provide different input values for your tests. This allows you to test a wider range of scenarios without writing a separate test method for each. Use the data source attribute. Asterisk mocking asterisk in some cases, you may need to mock out dependencies to isolate the code you are testing. This is less common in database unit testing than in application code unit testing, but it can be useful if your database code relies on external systems or services. Asterisk schema comparison and continuous integration asterisk integrate SSDT schema comparison tools into your CI/CD pipeline to ensure that your database schema changes are applied correctly and that your tests are run automatically. Asterisk pre-test and post-test scripts asterisk use these to set up the environment for your test, example create temporary tables, insert test data, and to clean up afterwards, example drop temporary tables, delete test data. Always ensure your post-test script cleans up regardless of the success or failure of the tests. Transactions consider using transactions in your pre-test script to isolate your tests from each other. Roll back the transaction in your post-test script to restore the database to its original state. This helps avoid side effects between tests. Performance testing. While SSDT is primarily for functional unit testing, you can use it to perform basic performance tests by using execution time condition to verify that your code executes within a reasonable time frame. Example, testing a table-valued function. Let's say you have a table-valued function named getCustomersByCity. Here's a unit test to verify that it returns the correct customers. Key takeaways. Database unit testing with SSDT is a powerful way to improve the quality of your database code. Use a dedicated testing database to avoid affecting your development or production environments. Write tests that are focused, independent, and repeatable. Use pre-test and post-test scripts to set up and clean up the test environment. Integrate unit testing into your development workflow and CI/CD pipeline. Master the various test conditions to effectively verify the behavior of your database objects. By following these guidelines and examples, you can create a robust suite of unit tests that will help you build more reliable and maintainable database applications. Remember to practice and experiment to find the best approach for your specific needs.